There's so much in my life to be grateful for. Last week, we threw the first Lavendaire launch event to celebrate the launch of the 2019 Artist of Life Workbook and Daily Planner by Lavendaire. It was my first time meeting so many of you in person. I was overwhelmed with love and all the stories you shared with me about how Lavendaire impacted your life. It's still surreal to hear those stories, but my favorite part about all of this is seeing the amazing, positive, and supportive community we've created. We're all here to become better artists of life together. I love the vibe so much, so thank you guys for being a part of this beautiful community. Before I recap the event, I want to take you behind the scenes of the night before the big day. We are at Wilson's warehouse where we keep the Lavendaire books. This is just a small little batch here, but it's the first batch for our event. I'm super excited. Here it is, our first batch of workbooks. These are just for our event, so there's about, let's see, 400 something pieces here. So this is what we have to pack into my car for our event tomorrow. The day of the event, I was so excited but also nervous because I had no idea what to expect, and I also wasn't prepared to give my live workshop. We had planned 2 workshops for the event. My friend, business and feng shui coach Kristen Noel gave a workshop on overcoming fear. She had volunteers come up and it was super interactive and fun. I gave a workshop on discovering yourself, your values, and what a fulfilling life looks like to you. I didn't really prepare what I would say, but when the time came, I just spoke from my heart. Thankfully, I did okay. I think speaking on the podcast and in my videos really helped me with public speaking. Anyway, my favorite part of my workshop was allowing the attendees to connect with someone new, share their 2019 goals, and exchange contact info so that they can check in with each other in 6 months. I love seeing you guys connect. So everyone left the event with a new friend and accountability buddy, which I thought was so cool. Another highlight from the event were the arts and crafts activities. We had a watercolor portrait artist there to paint free portraits for our guests. I thought that was such a special and personal gift for our attendees. It was the thing that I was most excited about. We also had tables with art supplies and stickers so people could decorate their new workbooks and planners, and also Polaroid cameras at the photo area so everyone could walk away with a Polaroid photo memento of the event. We also had an amazing DJ, Tiffany, who I met through our Artist of Life community on Facebook, and lovely vendors sharing sheet masks, clean beauty, acai bowls, Asian fusion snacks, and even plants. The vibe was so me and incorporated a lot of my favorite things. If you couldn't make it, I hope this video made you feel like you were there, because you truly are a part of this community. And I'm here giving you a big virtual hug saying thank you for being a Lavi Love. Thank you for supporting me and my dreams. Thank you for being an artist of life. So you can get your own copy of the new Artist of Life workbook and daily planner at my shop, which is linked down below. Use them to create your best year yet. Love you all so much. Bye.